Go on, Patty Joe! Hello, this is Martin Kelly saying enjoy your day and enjoy your dinner. Preparation is key. The first thing about food you should know is you always eat with your eyes first. If it looks tasty in your mind, it'll be probably more tasty in your mouth. Now to try these new Flaming Hot Wotsits crunchy crisps. See what they taste like. Quite nice. Very smoky. Out of 10, I give them a 7. And now to try some salted caramel M&M's, the new ones. Because I got them, they were only €1.50, those salted caramel. They look like normal M&M's. A bit more chewy than the normal ones. Out of 10, I'll give them about a 6. So, thanks a million for watching this. Thank you for watching my reviews on those two products. I'll chat to you again and have a fantastic day.